So Srinika, tell me, what are the changes you saw after the midbrain activation?
After midbrain activation, when I do my homeworks, like my vision is like better when I wear my blindfold. The vision is more better, and when I take out my blindfold, it is not that better. Sometimes the small text is not even better. That it sometimes like my eyes are like very blurry and all of that when I open my eyes. The same thing when I close my eyes, in very small text from very near, like this much distance, it is very clear, but when I open my eyes only the problems are there.
What's the improvement you saw in your studies earlier and now? What is the speed? How you are able to cope up with your homeworks and classworks?
Yeah, when my teacher says to write the thing, my friends are taking to write from a long time, but I write in 2 minutes and give to the teacher.
Wow. Okay. What is your speed, learning speed, earlier and now, and your memory?
Earlier it was like every time I was asking questions and questions and questions and questions, but now I do not have that many questions because for one time only I understood the whole thing.
Wow. That's really nice. Very good, very good. How about your handwriting?
Yeah, handwriting also. With I practiced like cursive and everything after midway activation, and it was so neat that my teacher liked my handwriting, and she told you write in every chart like of math and everything, so I can keep it on the board and the children can come like that.
Awesome. That's really nice to know.
I
Good.
wrote the whole chart with my handwriting only.
Impressive.